And just last month, I was able to secure over $30,000 in revenue from these types of services from my home office. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you 3 easy jobs that you can do to make money as a freelancer. If you already have experience, you're going to love this video, and if you're just getting started, you're going to love this video even more because these jobs do not require any experience to get started and be successful. So when I was just getting started with this, I was an automotive mechanic and I couldn't get any clients or make any money or get any traction online. It was really difficult for me to learn how to do these things because I didn't know what I was doing, and also get clients. People were talking about cold calling and walking into businesses, and that was something that I knew I just wouldn't be good at. So I was able to find services that I could easily stand out in a crowded market with, which is what I'm going to share with you in this video today. Easily outsource the work, have people help me with the fulfillment because I just didn't have enough time to do all that while getting the clients and learning everything that I needed to know. Smash that like button if you can relate to that. Let me know how your freelancing experience has been thus far, and please subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below that you have subscribed so I can welcome you to the channel. Now, there's nothing for you to buy in this video. This is all value that I'm going to share with you from my experience of being in the trenches of building a freelancing business. I'm qualified to make this video because actually a couple months ago I was featured on Forbes, and just last month I was able to secure over $30,000 in revenue from these types of services from my home office. So I want to share with you in this video how to do exactly that. Please stick with me. Watch the entire video. I'm going to break it all down for you, my 3 favorite services that you can use to make money, and let's dive in. Okay, so my very first freelance job that I was able to make money with, and is still my favorite for people that are just getting started and people that already have some traction, is website design. Now, before any of you freak out and say, what, website design? Because I know some of you hear that word and go, that's what I want you to avoid for a second, because a recent survey, and I know this to be true because I've seen it in the market, has shown, I'm going to put a screenshot on the page, that 40% of businesses still do not have a website. I repeat, 40% of businesses still do not have a website. So that means for you, this is a huge opportunity, right? The market is wide open. Most businesses out there will need your help because they still do not have a website. Flat out. I build a ton of websites, a whole crap load of websites, and you can too. I don't build them myself. I outsource all the work. As a freelancer, as a middleman, you can totally do this. All you have to do is go to a website like Upwork and hire somebody to outsource too. So let's recap real quick, right? Wide open market, easy to outsource, and you make money. It's a good fee. You make good fees, high paying fees. Now, if you go to something like themeforest.com, you can buy a template, and you don't have to be a website expert. You can just set up one of these templates for these businesses, and you can charge anywhere from $500, $1,000, $2,000. I've actually worked my fees up all the way to $8,000 to $10,000 for websites that I outsource. So that's why I like outsourcing. Now, the second service that I like to do as a freelancer is SEO. And the reason I like SEO is because of the recurring revenue. That's the biggest part. Once you get through building a website, you have to go find another person in order to make more money. But with SEO, you can get paid every single month from the same person. This is a much more scalable and sustainable business. So you can get paid anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to even more. My sweet spot is $1,000 every single month to do SEO for businesses. Now, that recurring element is huge. That is why I love it, and it is the backbone of my business. But another reason that I like it is because it's easy to convince people or business owners that they need it. Because if they're not found in Google, they're not going to be found. They're missing out on business and sales. So it's easy to convince people that they need it. And I think that is hugely, hugely important because I don't really like to sell stuff. I'm not a natural born salesperson, but it's easy to tell somebody or convince them to see how Google, if they're not being found in Google, they're missing out on business. And that's what I've been able to do. Just let people know about that, and it easily walks me into a sale. So the other reason I like SEO is because it's easily outsourceable. I actually have a free mini course on this in the description below the video, And all I do is I go out and I find slow loading websites. I use this as my foot in the door because for businesses that have websites that load slow, Google ranks them negatively in their search engine results. So what I do, and this is all in the mini course below, totally free, I go out and I find those slow loading websites and I offer to fix it. I don't actually fix it, I have somebody else fix it, but I use this slow loading website as a way to get my foot in the door and then upsell recurring SEO services. So if you're looking to do a service like that or get recurring revenue, check that mini course out, it's totally free. Now, the other thing that I like about SEO, if I can even spell outsourceable, a little typo there, is recurring revenue. That's the last thing I love about SEO. Did I already mention the recurring revenue? That is the most important piece about SEO, is you get to make money month after month from the same person. Now, my third favorite service is AdWords, Google AdWords. And it is a very simple service to fulfill. It's easy to deliver results. That's why I like it, right? Very easy to deliver results. When you get somebody an ad on the top page of Google for their business, they're gonna get clicks. It's pretty straightforward, not a lot of complication there. And it's easy to find people who want to buy advertising. You wanna know how I find people that want to buy advertising in Google? I look to see if they're advertising anywhere else. Yellow Pages, those little cork boards that are up at service buildings, like if you go to your hardware store, you know how you have those cork boards with all those business cards up there? Those are all people that want more exposure. Take a picture of that cork board, call all those people and tell them you can get them on the front page of Google tomorrow, which brings me to my other reason why I like Google AdWords and I choose to continue to sell AdWords as a freelancer, is that it's easy to convince people that they need it. And again, it's easy to outsource. You can find Google AdWords masters all over the internet. You can go to Upwork, you can find other freelancers who have tons of experience with this. You don't have to have any experience with this, and you can have them do the work for you. So all you have to do is find people that want Google AdWords to be run for them, and then find somebody on Upwork and have them run the ads for you. So all three of these services are awesome. I use them all till this day. Like I said, I did $30,000 in revenue last month from just these three services, and you should totally be trying these services out for yourself. Again, I have a free course, a free mini course in the description below, how I get started with SEO, and you can too. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, like this video for me. If you want me to put out more videos about how to make money, how I'm making money as a successful freelancer, please let me know. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below that you've subscribed so I can welcome you to the channel. And until we meet again, I will talk to you soon.